Rescue High Surf.
Rescue High Surf is about...
Rescue High Surf is...
The premise of the show is...
Rescue High Surf is...
big waves, heavy rescues, and Hawaii.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the North Shore.
We have seen some lifeguard shows before, but nothing like this show.
Audiences are going to get to experience what it's really like. The people and the heart and the culture of the real, authentic North Shore.
One of the most dangerous pieces of ocean in the entire world.
We get to see what these men and women go through to save lives and the family they become.
How are you doing?
6 rescues already, and the waves are getting bigger.
I did most of them too, so it's somebody else's turn.
I've been fortunate in my career to work with really talented ensembles, starting with AR and West Wing, and it's exciting to let the audience meet this extraordinary cast.
Plane loads of people from all over the world visiting Paradise. My people put it on the line every day to keep them safe.
Sonny is a captain. He grew up in the water. That's always been his community.
Cap, you okay?
It's my job to be okay.
I play M. Wright, the first female lieutenant in ocean safety. She's incredibly proud to be representing women, but she also really understands the male energy.
Will is, well, he's an Aussie, so I don't have to work on the accent. He's engaged.
How's it going?
Awesome. Thank you for asking.
He and M have been together before, so there's that struggle working together. Wait, look.
It's fine.
Putting their life on the line. You need the lightheartedness to balance out. I thought you said this job was easy. Some of my favorite stuff is with Kako. It's like a big brother, little brother thing.
Laka is proud to be Hawaiian. He's proud to be a lifeguard. Morning. Can I help you? He is a ladies' man, but when it comes down to work, he gets serious.
In the middle of the biggest ocean on Earth, they think it's a freaking swimming pool.
Hina and Kainalu, they're both the rookies here, so they really have to prove themselves.
Kainalu comes from privilege, whereas Hina comes from the North Shore.
Are you asking me out?
Depends. Would you say yes? They do have one goal in common, to be the best lifeguard they can be. Does that guy look okay to you?
No, grab the kit.
One of the things we learned when we were doing ER was to make certain that we had the real professionals there to work with us.
So we had 2 weeks water training.
Whether it's a surfboard rescue, a jet ski rescue, how they manage the patient on the beach, they're doing things that we actually do.
It's not the easiest show to film. 75% of the time we're in the water. It takes a lot of mental and physical strength, but through that adversity, you get something really beautiful.
Without us even realizing it, we're building trust and camaraderie.
Now we're seeing that translate on screen.
You're not the best female lifeguard. You're the best lifeguard, period.
I'm going in.
This show explores what is happening in Hawaii.
It's not just a one-dimensional rescue show. There's floods and there's sand pits and crashes on the road.
You're gonna laugh, you're gonna cry, you're gonna go, oh my God.
Whoa.
I looked down, my leg was gone.
Do you take anything before you went out?
So us young?
It's probably for the best.
It's a dream job, this one, and I'm grateful every day.